Upon receiving your DuroMax Portable Generator, it's crucial to run it for 6 to 8 hours for the break-in period using conventional oil. Conventional oil is formulated to seal the piston rings against the cylinder wall, ensuring optimal engine compression and power during this essential phase. After completing the break-in period, it's recommended to transition to full synthetic oil for ongoing maintenance. Synthetic oil offers superior lubrication and stability, enhancing the longevity and performance of your generator. Here are the steps to perform a break-in oil replacement for your new DuroMax Portable Generator. 1. Locate the oil inlet on your generator and open it up. Insert the included funnel hose into the inlet, ensuring a secure fit. Pour conventional oil into the generator, using the funnel hose provided. Conventional oil is specifically formulated to seal the piston rings against the cylinder wall for optimal engine performance. 2. Once the break-in oil is added, choose your preferred fuel, gasoline, propane, or natural gas, and fill the generator's tank according to the manufacturer's instructions. 3. Start the generator and run it for the recommended 6 to 8 hour break-in period. This allows the engine's components to settle and ensures optimal performance. 4. After completing the break-in period, turn off the generator and allow it to cool down. Then, drain the break-in oil and replace it with full synthetic oil for ongoing maintenance. Following these steps and maintaining your portable generator properly will guarantee reliable operation when you need it most, whether for emergency power, backup, or recreational use. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips on DuroMax generator maintenance and operation. Ensure your generator is always ready when you need it most.